Year 5! Today you're going to learn about the life cycle of a bird. This is part 1 of your lesson for today. You have another video, the life cycle of mammal as well. So let's first talk about the life cycle of bird. So your lesson objective for today is to draw and label the life cycle of a bird. For the electronic worksheets, you cannot do that. This is supposed to be what happens if you do it in class. So for your worksheets, you will just have to drag the pictures into the correct place. So your steps to success, we're going to learn about the life cycle of a chicken. So a chicken is a type of bird. Learn how a chicken lays eggs. Learn how a young chicken lives. And learn how an adult chicken lives. So let's go through and see the life cycle of a bird, chicken, with all its stages first. So first, we start off with an egg. All birds, no matter if it's a chicken, a vulture, an ostrich, or a kiwi, they all start from eggs. All birds start from eggs. And then they will hatch into a young. So the young of a bird. Most young of the birds are called chicks. So after the young, it will grow up, become bigger, becomes an adult bird. So for an adult chicken, it will be an adult chicken. It could also be an adult vulture, adult ostrich, flamingo. So any kind of birds. And then the female bird will then lay the egg. So then the cycle continues again. So next, let's talk about the eggs. So female chickens are called hens. You can call them female chickens, you can also call them hens. They lay their eggs in their nest. So see, this is their nest. So their nest is made out of some dry grass, dry leaves, hay, and then they lay their eggs on the nest, in the nest. So the hen will sit on the eggs to keep it warm. So not just one, sometimes a lot. So see, there is the hen and they're sitting on the eggs. So this one seems to have escaped, but you can see under the hens there are some eggs. After 21 days, the eggs hatches. So 21 days is about 3 weeks, 3 minggu. You will see the eggs will hatch, bubuka. Let's talk about the young of the chicken. So the young of a bird is called a chick. This is true for all birds. So no matter if it's a vulture, eagle, hawk, robins, all the young birds are called chicks. The chick uses its beak to hatch from the egg. So from inside the egg, the young bird will open up the shell of the egg so that it can go outside. So you can see there's the beak, so it uses the beak to break the egg from the inside. The chick has soft, fluffy feathers. So you can see here, they're soft, they're fluffy, they're very cute. It also has wings, so wings are on the side there. Legs, you can see all the legs over there. And a beak, so beak, 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 beak. Just like its parents. So the young of a bird looks like its parents. Now let's talk about the adult. As a chick gets older, so as the chick becomes bigger, it grows new feathers and look more and more like its parents. So before the chick, you saw it look yellow. So when it grows older and older, the small feathers will go away and will grow new feathers. It will change color. So it sometimes becomes white instead of from yellow. It can become more colorful, like the rooster over here. So it has black, orange, yellow, brown. It depends on the chicken or the bird. You can also see the hen doesn't necessarily have to be white. It can be brown as well. As an adult, the female chicken hen, so the hen, the female, the male is called the rooster, will be able to produce egg and young on its own. So, bila ayam perempuan itu jadi besar, ia boleh ada bertelur. So, it can make its own young. The male chicken is called a rooster. So, hen, rooster. Okay, now that we're done with that, your work for today will be to complete worksheet on the bird.